The S5 does something most cheap EVs refuse to do. It's not range, it's not pricing. It's the one thing that actually matters when you're behind the wheel. Most budget electric SUVs feel like you're driving a refrigerator on wheels. Numb steering, lifeless responses, smooth to the point of boring. They get you places, sure, but they feel like appliances, not cars. This one's different. The MG S5 slaps you with rear-wheel drive dynamics you'd expect from something costing twice as much. Sharper steering, proper weight distribution, 5-link independent rear suspension. You tap the throttle and it actually reacts. Not like you flipped a switch on a golf cart, more like you woke something up. Here's the crazy part. This starts at just £28,495, or around $34,000. You're getting tech, space, and driving feel that rivals price tags in the mid-40s. The 228 horsepower motor launches the long-range version from 0 to 62 in just 6.3 seconds. That's quick enough to embarrass plenty of gas-powered crossovers that cost way more. And you get that instant electric shove that pins you back every single time. But most people shopping electric SUVs care about one number: range. The 64 kilowatt-hour battery delivers 298 miles on the long-range SE trim. That's basically the same as a Skoda Enyaq, but for thousands less. Even better, the smaller 49 kilowatt-hour version still gives you 211 miles for under £29,000. That's the sweet spot for city driving without the premium price. Charging is where this gets really smart. The bigger battery goes from 10 to 80% in just 28 minutes on a fast charger. The smaller one, 24 minutes. And that means you're spending more time driving and way less time waiting around at charging stations. Inside, you get a 12.8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and actual physical buttons. Not those awful, touch-sensitive panels that never work properly. Real buttons you can feel without looking away from the road. Plus, wireless charging for your phone, and a flat rear floor that makes room for 3 adults. The trunk holds 453 liters, which isn't massive, but it's competitive. And if you need more, fold the rear seats in a 60/40th split and load it up. The Essence trim even adds a smart electric tailgate that opens hands-free. The S5 scored 5 stars in Euro NCAP safety testing with a 90% rating for adult protection. That's seriously impressive. Every version comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. You're getting safety tech that used to be reserved for luxury badges. Here's what makes the S5 actually matter. It's built on MG's modular scalable platform, the same one under the wildly popular MG4 hatchback. That means it rides way better than the old ZS EV it replaces. They smoothed out the harshness over bumps and gave it a suspension setup that actually handles Australian country roads without falling apart. It's firm but controlled, not uncomfortable, just purposeful. And that rear-wheel drive layout with 47/53 weight distribution? That's sports car territory, not budget crossover territory. So yeah, MG took a winning formula and stretched it into a practical electric SUV that actually drives well. And speaking of practical EVs that surprise people, next time we're looking at something way weirder. A plug-in hybrid truck that costs luxury SUV money, but somehow justifies every penny. You'll want to see why. Drop a comment if you'd actually consider the S5 over the usual suspects. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.